Welcome to the Explainer. Let's ditch the old methods and build your ultimate AI study stack together.
Still studying on hard mode? Honestly, staring at a blank screen at 2 a.m. is officially obsolete.
Interactive prompting is a game changer. It cures blank page syndrome instantly through an ongoing, creative dialogue with AI.
Don't just ask AI to write the paper. Use that back-and-forth dialogue to brainstorm complex research questions.
Start broad. Feed AI a prompt like this, and boom, you've got a dedicated collaborative tutor guiding you.
Don't just accept the first answer. Troubleshoot and refine those responses to forge a rock-solid, unique thesis statement.
Next up is execution. Contextualized prompting is your secret weapon for structuring and outlining that massive research paper.
Set the stage. Ask the AI to outline highly specific sections like methods or results for your topic. For example, setting strict parameters to outline a molecular biology paper ensures absolute focus, rigor, and total clarity.
Paper drafted? Awesome. Now let's study. AI can actually auto-generate flashcards right out of your course materials.
Review those using spaced repetition. It scientifically schedules study sessions right before you'd naturally forget the information.
The data is clear. Cramming plummets to near zero retention, but spaced repetition keeps your memory recall incredibly high.
Studies show AI learning cards paired with spaced repetition can boost your memory retention by an incredible 75%.
Maximize this system. Write questions during lectures, map study sessions to your energy peaks, and work in microsprints.
Finally, keep your academic integrity. Always write the final draft yourself and properly disclose any AI assistance used.
AI does the heavy organizing, acting as your ultimate assistant. So, what will you build with your extra time?